Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? Beyond what the naked eye can see lies a universe of beauty and horror, a realm of microscopic marvels. Today, we're diving into this unseen world, exploring the delicate dance of life and death, all under the scrutinizing gaze of the microscope. Our journey begins with beauty. Imagine snowflakes, each one a unique masterpiece. Under the lens, these frozen crystals reveal an intricate architecture, a symphony of hexagonal symmetry. Or consider a butterfly wing, its vibrant colors, not just pigment, but a complex array of scales, each reflecting light in a dazzling display. The microscopic world is filled with such elegance, a testament to nature's artistry. But this world also holds a darker side. Think of the bacteria, both the helpful and the harmful. Under the microscope, they morph from abstract shapes into tiny wriggling monsters, some of them capable of causing disease. Or consider a single drop of pond water teeming with life, yet also with the potential for unseen dangers. The microscope reveals a constant struggle for survival, a battleground of microscopic organisms. Then there are the viruses, the ultimate infiltrators. Invisible to the naked eye, they are the epitome of microscopic horror. They invade cells, replicate, and wreak havoc from within, all in a silent, unseen attack. The microscope unveils their sinister beauty, their complex structures designed to deceive and destroy. But why is this unseen world so important? Because understanding it is key to understanding life itself. Microscopes help us diagnose diseases, develop new medicines, and even understand the very building blocks of our existence. They are a window into a universe that shapes our lives in ways we never realize. So next time you look at a snowflake, a butterfly, or a drop of water, remember the unseen world that lies beneath. It is a world of breathtaking beauty and chilling horror, a constant reminder of the incredible complexity and fragility of life. The microscope, our ever-vigilant eye, continues to reveal its secrets, inviting us to explore the wonders and the terrors that exist just beyond our vision.